Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete everything on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to delete everything on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for general option. You must have to select general and here scroll down again and you'll get an option in lost. There's a transfer or reset iPhone. So you must have to select this option and here you have to select erase all content and settings. And first of all, you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be your photos, videos, apps, accounts, and much more. So you must have to make a backup of your data. Once you have backup, you must have to select the continue option. Then select erase iPhone. And here, if you have logged into any Apple account, so you must have to enter the Apple account password here. But I haven't logged in, so I am going to enter my passcode. Just enter passcode and your mobile will be restarted. So in this way you can easily delete everything on your phone. So after that you must have to wait for until your phone restarts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.